At the end of the day, if you're going to shut your board down, all you need to do is click the power button and hold, and a message will come up and tell you that it's going to be shutting down in a certain amount of time. We're just going to look at a couple of the accessories that come with the board. The first accessory is the pen. If you prefer to use the pen versus using your hand or your finger, you can use this. It doesn't need to be calibrated, and it's magnetic, so you can stick it to the back of the board. You also have a remote that comes with your Clevertouch board. The remote you can change the volume up and down. You can mute it. So as you see over there, I've already muted it. I can unmute it. However, if you're using the remote, you have to be very careful that you're pointing it to the bottom right-hand corner where you see that little blue light. Anywhere else, it's not going to connect. So right now I have the board connected to my computer. If I want to go back and check my email or do something on the computer, but I want to leave what they're looking at up, I can freeze the screen. To do so, on your remote, there's a blue button. You're going to click the blue button and make sure you're aiming it to the right-hand side, bottom corner. And when you do that, when you click it, a small menu will appear. That means it is frozen. So if I come back to the computer and I do something, they're not going to be able to see anything on my screen because this is now frozen. As long as that menu is up there, that screen is frozen. To unfreeze it, again, the blue button, aim it towards the bottom right-hand corner, click, and you'll now see the cursors moving, so it's back to a live screen. One last accessory that comes with the board is a microfiber cloth. That is the only thing you want to use to clean the board. You do not want to use any chemicals whatsoever. If for some reason a student comes back from lunch and has Cheeto fingers and you get something on the board that you need to get off, Clevertouch does recommend that you use warm dish soap on the provided cloth, and that's it. And that should help get it off. Warm water and the cloth is basically all you're going to want to use on your board.